How to fix Wi-Fi denied access problem. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a quick method on what you can do if your Wi-Fi access is denied. Let's get started. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to like the video and don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on new uploads. Alright, on that note, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is head over to your phone settings. And once your phone settings is open, just tap on connections. And once you have opened your connections, you want to tap on your Wi-Fi network. And once your Wi-Fi network is open, just choose the network that is not allowing you the access. Now all you have to do is long press on the network and then forget network. So long press on this and then tap on forget network. And after you do this, you can give your phone a quick restart and then try to connect again. But if it's still not working, then the admin might have blocked your device. So just kindly ask the admin to unblock you and let you connect to the network. Once you do that, your problem should be fixed. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I will catch you guys on the next video.